Hello everyone, I've got this old Blackberry which is a model 7230. As you can see, I've gone to about this phone and here's all the info for it, and I'll scroll down so you can read it if you want to. If you don't, you can always skip this part. I haven't got the hang of this phone yet. On the side here we have the scroll, which you can go up and down with your thumb and press in to select something. This button will go back and go out of a menu, and there's a button on top to answer the phone. Just trying to get that under focus there, but there's a little telephone icon on that button. And to shut this phone, you have to actually go down to there, look, to the last option, push that in. I'll just show you it switching off, and then I'll show you the ringtones. Okay everyone, I discovered the button to switch it on was actually that one. So it's back on now. I'm just going to press pause to put the password in, and then I'll show you the ringtone. So if I scroll over to the volume icon here, we'll have a listen to the ringtones. Bear with me because they're not very loud, even though I put the phone to the loudest possible setting. What I'll try and do is raise the volume in the video editing software. So I just push, you've got to push in this scroll button, and you go to show tunes. Okay, here we go. Can hardly hear that ringtone. Maybe if I take my hand off the bottom of the phone. And that's all the ringtones that's on there. Sorry about the neighbours yelling outside. It's like that quite often around here. Maybe you can't hear it, but I can, and I'm just getting a little paranoid here. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.